What happens to your body when you eat prickly pear? What diseases does prickly pear treat? Are prickly pears beneficial in treating inflammation and an enlarged prostate? What about the role of prickly pears in treating erectile dysfunction in men? What are the health benefits of prickly pears for people with high blood pressure and diabetes? And kidney, heart, and liver diseases? What mistakes do people make when eating prickly pears? And what is the correct way to eat them? We will answer all these questions according to the latest studies. But before we start, if you have eaten prickly pear, press like to know the number of people interested in these types of videos. And if you are a new follower, subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to receive all new videos. Prickly pear is a rich source of many vitamins and minerals. It also contains phenolic compounds, plant sterols, and amino acids that contribute to promoting general health and fighting diseases. It also contains betalain, the pigment responsible for giving prickly pear its distinctive color, in addition to antioxidants that protect the body from diseases. Eating prickly pear daily helps strengthening the immune system. One of the benefits of prickly pear is that it helps strengthen the body's immunity as it contains high amounts of vitamin C and vitamin E, in addition to a variety of nutrients and antioxidants that help rid the body of toxins and improve metabolic processes. In addition, it protects against the effects of free radicals in the body, which stimulates the production of white blood cells. Supporting heart health. Prickly pear contains fibers that maintain normal cholesterol levels in the blood, which contributes to regulating blood pressure levels and also protects against heart disease and atherosclerosis. Prickly pear also contains potassium, which helps blood flow to the body and regulates blood circulation. Blood sugar control. Prickly pear helps regulate blood sugar levels, lowering them by 17 to 48%, thus reducing the risk of developing diabetes. Improving digestive health. Because prickly pears contain a high amount of dietary fiber and various antioxidants, eating prickly pears regularly has many benefits for the digestive system, as it helps cleanse the colon and improve its health, as well as prevent constipation. In addition, it helps digestion and excretion processes. It also plays an effective role in burning fat and losing weight. Among the benefits of prickly pears is reducing the risk of developing some digestive system diseases, such as colon cancer and stomach ulcers. Beneficial for men and women. One of the reasons that makes prickly pear a beneficial fruit for men is its effective role in enhancing the strength and energy of men, as it contains potassium, which improves the flow of oxygenated blood to all organs of the body, which increases the ability to perform tasks. Prickly pear also plays a major role in alleviating the symptoms of an enlarged prostate and treating it permanently, due to its high content of antioxidants that help fight inflammation in the body in general, especially prostatitis. Protecting the liver from cirrhosis. Prickly pear contributes to enhancing liver function due to the antioxidants it contains, which work to combat free radicals that threaten liver cells with the risk of cirrhosis, thus improving liver function. Prickly pears are very important for kidney health, as they help enhance their vital functions, thanks to their ability to easily improve the flow of oxygenated blood to the kidneys, which contributes to protecting the kidneys from the risk of damage. Bring 4 prickly pears, 2 tablespoons of honey, 5 cashews, 5 almonds, 5 pistachios, and a cup of milk. Place all ingredients in an electric blender and blend until smooth. You can take this mixture twice daily. You can also eat prickly pears by cutting them into small pieces after removing the peel and eating them as is. You can also add them to salads or drinks, as they are beneficial in most cases. Dear viewers, this was all we have today. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Write your opinion in our comments section, and people who follow us for the first time, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to receive all new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.